Pleasant day to you, Mom and Sir. I am Crystal Joy Mampusti from Pinamalayan, Oriental, Mindoro, born on March 28, 1990. I am 34 years old now. I am a high school graduate. I am a single mother. I have one son and he's 9 years old now. I worked in Saudi Arabia before as an household worker from April 8, 2016 to December 22, 2023. I serve an elder couple with some of their families and grandchild. My duties and responsibility to them is cooking, washing clothes, cleaning the house, take care of the grandchild, and monitor the elder couple. Mom and Sir, I am willing to take care of a newborn baby and I am willing to teach them how to read and write English. I want to work in Hong Kong for my dream and for my family. To my future employer, I will promise to you that I will do my very best and the duties and responsibility to you as my employer, as well as I promise to you that I will finish my contract to you, Mom and Sir. God bless and thank you, Mom and Sir.